like to present the background of our company, Cream Craft Co. Cream Craft Co. is a small-scale bakery business established in late 2025, and our tagline is "Little Crumb, Big Craving," which reflects our goal of creating delicious products that customers will enjoy and remember. Our main products are chocolate cookies and customer red velvet cookies. We focus on producing high-quality cookies using fresh ingredients and attractive design to make customer preference. In terms of organization, our company uses a functional organization structure, which each team member is responsible of specific tasks and functions. The production process starts with preparing the ingredients. Next, the dough is mixed and shaped. After that, the cookies are baked and decorated. And finally, the products are cooling, packaging, and distributed to customers. In conclusion, Crave Co. aim to provide tasty and high-quality cookies while ensure an efficient production process and good customer satisfaction.
Next, I will explain the industry analysis and product of Crave Crumbs Co. First, our product consists of premium cookies with a soft and crunchy texture, signature flavor like dark chocolate and limited edition flavor such as red velvet. Our premium packaging also makes the cookies suitable for both snaking and gifting. Our target market mainly focus on Generation Z, who are highly influenced by social media trends and FOMO culture. We also target students, young working adults, families, and dessert lovers. In terms of the industry, the premium bakery market continues to grow as consumers increasingly demand high quality, visual appealing, and unique product. Therefore, innovation, strong branding, and digital marketing are essential to remain competitive. Finally, our customer analysis shows that consumer value not only great taste but also attractive presentation and exclusive product. By offering limited edition flavors and engaging through social media, Crave Crumb Co. aims to build customer loyalty and encourage repeat purchases.
In this slide, we will explain the job order costing method. Job order costing method is a costing that used to calculate the cost of specific job or product. It is suitable for product that require different material, labor and overhead costs. At Crave Crumb Corporation, the method is used to determine the production cost of chocolate cookies and red velvet cookies separately. By using this method, the company can monitor production costs, determine selling price, evaluate the profitability of each product. Based on the result, chocolate cookies recorded a total cost of 5,478 ringgit with a unit cost of 9 ringgit and 30 cents. Meanwhile, red velvet cookies recorded a total cost of 1,879 ringgit with a unit cost of 31 ringgit and 27 cents. The higher unit cost of red velvet cookies is due to its lower production quantity. Next, this slide will represent the activity-based costing or ABC. ABC is a costing method that allocates overhead costs based on the activity involved in the production process. Crave Crumb Corporation uses this method to assign manufacturing overhead to activities such as mixing, baking, and packaging. This allows the company to determine product costs more accurately because each product uses a different amount of resources. The results show that the total cost for chocolate cookies is 5,451 ringgit with a unit cost of 9 ringgit and 8 cents. For red velvet cookies, the total cost is 1,751 ringgit with a unit cost of 29 ringgit and 80 cents. Therefore, ABC provides a more accurate allocation of overhead costs based on actual activity itself. Now, the final costing method is process costing. Process costing is used for continuous production where identical products are produced in large quantity. This method calculates the average cost of production for all units produced. At Crave Crumb Corporation, process costing is used to determine the average production cost and allocate cost between complete product and work in progress inventory. The results show that the total production cost is actually 5,478 ringgit, while the cost per equivalent unit is 9 ringgit and 21 cents. The cost allocated to finished good is actually 5,652 ringgit with 58 cents, while 9,931 ringgit is assigned to ending work in progress inventory. Overall, this method provides an average production cost and it actually suitable for continuous production process only.
I will explain the cost collation and product costing. Table 4.1 compares three costing methods which are job order costing, activity-based costing or ABC, and process costing. The results show that different costing methods produce different product costs because each method allocates costs differently. For job order costing, costs are assigned to a specific production job. For activity-based costing, overhead costs are allocated based on the activity consumed during production. Meanwhile, process costing distributes production costs across all units produced using the weighted average method. Based on the result, ABC provides separate cost information for each product and allow more accurate overhead allocation. In contrast, process costing calculates an average production cost across all units produced. Therefore, the choice of costing method is important because it can influence product costing information, pricing decision, and profitability analysis. Next, I will explain the managerial decision analysis. Cost information is important because it helps management make better business and decision. First is pricing decision. Cost information help crumb determine suitable selling price for each product. Since different products have different production costs, the company must set selling price higher than the production cost to earn profit. Second is cost control. Cost information helps management identify major cost components such as materials, labor, and overhead costs. This allows the company to reduce waste, control costs, and maintain product quality. Third is profit planning. By knowing the cost per unit, the company can estimate future profits, sales revenue, and production costs. This information also helps management prepare budget and financial plans more effectively. Finally, cost information helps improve production efficiency. Management can evaluate production performance, identify areas for improvement, reduce waste, and use resources more effectively. Overall, accurate cost information supports better decision making and helps the company improve business performance and maintain profitability.
Moving on to my part, I will discuss three key strategies: cost reduction, market expansion, and operational improvement. Firstly, let's look at cost reduction. One way the company can reduce production costs is by purchasing raw materials like flour, butter, and cocoa powder in bulk quantities. This allows the company to enjoy supplier discounts and also maintain a stable supply of ingredients. Next, the company can also reduce ingredient wastage through proper inventory management. After all, wasting ingredient means wasting money. In addition, Crave Crumbs and Co can use information from activity-based costing, basically to identify activities that do not add value, like machine idle time. By eliminating these activities, the company can improve efficiency and control costs more effectively. Next, let's talk about market expansion. Nowadays, many customers discover new products through social media platforms like TikTok. So, Craft Crumbs and Co. can strengthen its online presence through social media, marketing, and food delivery application to reach a larger audience. At the same time, Crave Crumbs and Co. can apply lean operation principles to improve production scheduling, reduce wasting time, minimize machine idle time, and manage inventory more efficiently. The company can also introduce seasonal and limited edition cookie flavors. Let's be honest, who doesn't get excited when they see a limited edition product, right? So this can attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases.
Next, I will explain costing method, evaluation, and justification. The first one is comparison of three costing method. Job order costing, activity-based costing, and process costing allocate production cost in different ways. Job order costing calculate cost for each production batch, making it useful for tracking the profitability of specific order. ABC allocates overhead costs based on activities such as mixing, baking, and packaging, providing the most accurate cost information. In contrast, process costing spreads costs evenly across all units produced, making it suitable for continuous and standardized production. Therefore, the main difference between this method lies in the accuracy of cost allocation and their suitability for different production environment. Second is advantage and limitation. Each costing method has its own strength and weakness. Job order costing is simple to implement and help track the cost of individual production batch, but it may be less accurate because it relies on predetermined overhead rates, while ABC offers the highest level of accuracy by allocating costs according to actual activities, which support better pricing and decision making. However, it is more complex and costly to maintain. Last, process costing is easy to use and works well for continuous production, but it uses average cost and may not accurately reflect the resource consumed by different products. The last one is most suitable costing method. Among the three costing methods, ABC is the most suitable for Crave Crumb School because the company produces a different types of cookies that require varying amounts of resource and production activity. ABC provides a more accurate allocation of overhead costs, allowing management to make a better decision regarding pricing, budgeting, and profitability. In conclusion, while job order costing and process costing have their own benefits, ABC is the most effective method for improving cost accuracy and supporting a long-term business growth.